Why choose Meticulous to produce new product? Let's analyze it with a specific case. Our company is producing a new mint color tooth cleaning handle in cooperation with Luster Premium Y. Our production requirements are very strict. Before entering the injection molding workshop, each worker must first enter the shower to remove the dust carried by people and goods. During production, after the robotic arm takes the product out of the injection molding machine, it will be placed in a special cooling zone, which can well protect the product from deformation and help fix it. The diameter of the product before and after cooling is 7 millimeters different. And no matter from which direction the bottom of the product after cooling treatment is viewed from, it has a curvature, which is a technology that many factories cannot do. The fully automatic robotic arms we use have higher precision and higher production capacity than traditional machines, and can also reduce the production defect rate. The products produced from the production workshop will be handed over to the workers to remove the excess parts made by injection molding. And the removed waste materials will be sent to the crushing room for crushing. Crushed materials will be handled by special personnel to meet the standard of secondary utilization. The products processed by the workers will be inspected by the quality inspectors to check whether the products are handled properly and whether there are production problems in the products themselves. Products that have been checked and confirmed to be qualified will be packaged according to the brand's requirements. And each package will contain a cleaning handle and 2 replacement small parts. Quality inspectors in white protective suits will carefully check the products packaged by workers for a second time, and then send them into the machine for sealing. Our factory can produce 6,000 sets of these tooth cleaning handle sets every day, including the handle into parts. Finally, before the assembly is completed and the products are packaged and shipped, there will be a final quality inspection process to check the quality of the finished product, so as to ensure the number of items and give customers the best service experience. Most of our products are sent to Europe and the United States. Please believe that Meticulous can give you the best product.